Teclast, a renowned electronics manufacturer, recently unveiled its latest affordable tablet, the Teclast P30T, and has now officially launched it in the Chinese market, complete with pricing details. One standout feature of this tablet is that it comes pre-installed with the Android 14 operating system, offering users access to the latest Android features and improvements. Let's delve into the key specifications that make the Teclast P30T stand out in its price range. At the forefront of the Teclast P30T is its 10.1-inch IPS display, boasting a resolution of 1280 by 800. The incorporation of TDDI technology enhances visual clarity and touch responsiveness. With a 120Hz touch sampling rate and a wide 178 degrees viewing angle, users can expect a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The tablet's appearance is equally impressive, featuring a metal body with a sleek starry gray finish, weighing just 440 grams, and a straight-edge appearance for both aesthetics and comfortable handling. Under the hood, the Teclast P30T is powered by the Allwinner A523 processor, an octa-core A55 setup, clocked at a maximum frequency of 1.8 GHz. Accompanying this is 4 GB of RAM, expandable up to 6 GB virtual RAM. Storage won't be an issue, thanks to the generous 128 GB onboard storage, further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card. The tablet is equipped with AI dual cameras, featuring 5 and 2 megapixels rear cameras, providing users with versatile photography options. Dual stereo speakers contribute to an enhanced audio experience. Connectivity is robust with the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring fast and reliable internet and device connections. The Teclast P30T is fueled by a substantial 6000 mAh battery, promising extended usage without frequent recharging. Android 14 brings a host of new features to the Teclast P30T. Noteworthy additions include parental control for screen time management, an updated app drawer, a forced landscape orientation mode, a multitasking taskbar, a PC-like productivity mode, and the integration of the latest Android security patches. This software upgrade enhances the overall user experience, providing greater control, improved functionality, and heightened security. The Teclast P30T, with its impressive array of features and affordability, is now available for purchase at an enticing price of 499 yuan or $70. This competitive pricing makes it an appealing option for consumers seeking a budget-friendly yet capable tablet. In conclusion, the Teclast P30T combines an impressive set of features, sleek appearance, and the latest Android software, making it a compelling option in the affordable tablet market. Whether for entertainment, productivity, or photography, this tablet aims to deliver a versatile and satisfying user experience. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and good luck.